Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to talk about SBI IT exam. The exam dates are out. And now you have just 10 days in your hand till the exam date. So as per the information, your tentative date of online written exam is 23rd of November and you hardly have 10 days. So how you should be spending your 10 days? Where should your focus be? This will be discussed by Vidhika Mam tomorrow in the workshop at 6 p.m. So she will be guiding you what you can focus more upon, what is the main area that you should be revising. Remember, QRE is only qualifying and you have to score good marks in the IT subjects. And there is no negative marking, so you will be attempting all the questions. So where your focus should be, that will be discussed by Shivangi ma'am on Wednesday, 13th November at 6 p.m. I'll be there to guide you for the QRE part. In order to join this workshop, register using the link that is present in the description below and be prepared for your exam on 23rd of November. Wish you all the best. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.